Hello everyone! Explore the diverse and delectable world of cuisine with these globally renowned dishes. From the savory streets of Italy to the vibrant markets of Thailand, each dish represents a unique culinary tradition, blending flavors, techniques, and cultural influences. Savor the thin crusts of Italian pizza topped with an array of ingredients, or indulge in the artistry of Japanese sushi, where delicate rice and fresh fish unite in perfect harmony. In the United States, the iconic hamburger reigns supreme, while the aromatic spices of Indian curry tantalize taste buds. Venture to Spain for the flavorful and colorful paella,
a rice dish infused with an array of meats and seafood. Transport yourself to the streets of Mexico with the irresistible allure of tacos, featuring folded tortillas cradling an assortment of fillings.
Across the globe, from Brazil's hearty feijoada to Hungary's rich goulash, each dish tells a story of local ingredients, culinary expertise, and cultural significance. Delight in the flaky layers of a French croissant or relish the comforting warmth of Greece's moussaka, a layered casserole of eggplant and minced meat. These dishes embody the essence of their respective regions, inviting you on a flavorful journey that transcends borders and connects people through the universal language of food. Indulge in the world's culinary treasures, each bite offering a taste of the rich history and vibrant cultures that shape these renowned gastronomic experiences. Now we will look at some of the famous dishes around the globe.
Pizza Italy. A classic Italian dish with a thin crust, tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings. Sushi Japan. Bite-sized rice and raw fish creations, often accompanied by seaweed, vegetables, and soy sauce. Hamburger United States. Iconic American fast food, featuring a ground beef patty in a bun, often with condiments and vegetables. Biryani. A fragrant and flavorful dish originating from the Indian subcontinent. Biryani is a sumptuous rice dish known for its aromatic blend of basmati rice, meat commonly chicken, lamb, or beef, and the medley of spices. Pasta Italy. Varied shapes and styles of noodles served with a variety of sauces, a staple in Italian cuisine. Paella Spain. A flavorful rice dish mixed with various meats, seafood, and vegetables, originating from Valencia.
Curry India. A diverse range of spiced dishes, usually featuring meat or vegetables, served with rice or bread. Tacos Mexico. Folded or rolled tortillas filled with various ingredients, such as meat, beans, and salsa.
Croissant France. A flaky and buttery pastry, often enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack.
Dim sum China. Bite-sized portions of various dishes, traditionally served in small steamer baskets. Goulash Hungary. A hearty stew made with meat, vegetables, and paprika, often served with noodles or bread. Pad Thai Thailand. Stir-fried rice noodles with a combination of ingredients like shrimp, tofu, peanuts, and lime.
Moussaka Greece. A layered casserole with eggplant, mincemeat, and bechamel sauce, baked to perfection. Feijoada Brazil. A hearty black bean stew with pork, sausages, and beef, often considered the national dish.
Kimchi Korea. Fermented vegetables, typically cabbage or radishes, seasoned with chili, garlic, and ginger. Ceviche Peru. Fresh seafood cured in citrus juices, often mixed with onions, chili peppers, and cilantro. Pierogi Poland. Dumplings filled with various ingredients such as potatoes, cheese, or meat, usually boiled or fried.
Pho Vietnam. A fragrant noodle soup with broth, rice noodles, herbs, and either beef or chicken.
Wiener Schnitzel Austria. Breaded and fried veal or pork cutlet, typically served with lemon and potatoes.
Ramen Japan. Japanese noodle soup, often flavored with soy sauce or miso and topped with ingredients like sliced pork, seaweed, and green onions. Tandoori chicken India. Marinated chicken cooked in a tandoor, clay oven, resulting in a smoky and flavorful dish.
Fish and chips United Kingdom. Deep-fried fish in batter, accompanied by thick-cut fries, often served with malt vinegar. Jollof rice West Africa. One-pot rice dish cooked with tomatoes, onions, and various spices, often served with grilled meat or fish.
Savopi Balkans. Small grilled minced meat sausages, typically served with flatbread and diced onions.
Tom Yum Thailand. Spicy and sour soup, often made with shrimp, lemongrass, lime leaves, and chili. Thank you for watching the video. Do share, like, and subscribe. Take care and goodbye.